cut off there, Civic. Stay in your lane, scooter. Yep. Douchebag. Go! Run the motherfucker over. Surely you're not getting on Route 1 with that friggin' thing, are you? Jesus. Good thing got turn signals, for fuck's sake. Civic jumps to the left lane. Yep. Yeah! Shit. Are you exit diving? Blinkerless exit diving? Oh, dead blinker on. Calling that an exit dive. Nice job there, asshole. Ooh. Psycho Bun. Direct to the left lane. Subaru. Yeah. Guess you're not going that way, huh? Out of my trunk, lady. Thank you. More than close enough. Red light runner.
Visit 99 for lunch or dinner, and kids get a free meal from the kids menu with every adult entree.
What the hell are we doing here, kids? Go! Wake the fuck up! Nice! Nice, dude. Exit dive. Toyota exit dive, by the way. Stop.
And to protect residents, employees, and visitors. It's 1:38. Mona Rivera over at Bloomberg Business.
Red light runner. Little too close there. Prime chicks. Whoa, mama! Quite the exit dive there, Maz turd. Hi, Prius, someone's there. It's not a driving lane, Prius. Hello. Yoo-hoo. Wah! Nice. Stop sign, Camroid. Florida. Do you mind stopping? Thank you. Stop sign. Stop sign. You got a Subaru. Are you going right? Are you gonna right? Are you gonna? You're not gonna stop at that stop sign, are you? You're gonna blow the stop sign at your Subaru. Of course you are. Yeah. Okay. I'm seeing the rainbows. I don't know if the camera is, but I'm seeing a rainbow. Woo! And even if the camera didn't see a rainbow, I'm going to post that so you think I'm hallucinating. You know, oh Christ's sake, here we go again. Toyota from New Hampshire. Oh, what the hell's in the car now? Is that a B? Great, it's a B. Some sort of stinging insect, whatever. Stinging insect and a spider on the car. Friggin' zoo out there and in here. What do you? Hey! That. Well, hi. Do you see that car you just passed? Cameroid. And back to the left. No, Daddy, right. What? The fuck? Stupid! Guess what? You can use the easy pass over here, you friggin' Corolla driving moron. Stupid people. Hey. If anyone should. Thank you. You're not getting off, but you had to cut me off like that. Thank you. You're not the best thing that ever happened to me. Dude, you're going the wrong way. Do you see the arrows, you moron? Freaking idiots everywhere. Every freaking where. Stop for the stop sign, Maxima. Hello, wake up. They're breaking. Wake up, Muffy, will ya? This will be interesting. Yeah, that's cool. there a point to that? All these parking spaces, and you have to park on top of the lines that you're not supposed to park on, the no parking lines for the carriage crossover thingy. Thank you. Because Subaru. Red light runner. The Subaru directed left lane. Yes! It's a Tesla with the wart. What the hell's on the roof? Big ass pass fail there, Mr. Altima. Miss Altima. Yeah! Yeah! What? What? You stupid butt? It's an old tailgate there, you know? Okay, we're gonna yield here, we're gonna yield here, we're gonna yield here, we're gonna yield here, we're gonna yield here. Yield here. Yeah, huh? Yep, you had to yield there. Yeah, you can just take the back of this friggin' Jeep off. Why don't you, you creep? Who's butt you up now? Oh, you're alone. Yellow, red, he ran the red, Mercedes ran the red, Cadillac takes the frig off. Straight from the left turn lane. Cameroid.